Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best pool cue tip kit is probably one of the most important investments a serious pool player can make, ensuring you always have a perfectly shaped and responsive cue tip for consistent accuracy and power, saving you money on costly professional repairs and downtime, and ultimately improving your game and enjoyment of the sport. Number 5. Tweeten Home Repair Kit. This kit has everything you need for repairing your pool cues. It's easy to use and includes high-quality materials. It comes with a tube of Tweeten's 10-minute cement, ensuring a quick and strong bond for your repairs. The special applicator makes it easy to use. 3 pieces of master billiard chalk are included, the top choice for pros and amateurs alike. Get the perfect grip and control every time. You'll also receive various sizes of cue tip spots in black and green. These are easy to apply and will give your cues a professional look. 12 elk master cue tips are provided, offering a medium soft feel for optimal response and feedback. There are both 12mm and 13mm sizes. The kit includes a plastic cue tip trimmer and a cue tip clamp. These tools ensure a perfect fit and finish for your new tips. A Tweeten topper prepares a flat base for the new tip, and the mending tissue repairs torn billiard cloth. These ensure your table is in top condition. This kit is made in the USA by Tweeten Fiber Company, guaranteeing quality and reliability. Everything you need is conveniently packaged together. With this comprehensive kit, repairing your pool cues is simple and efficient. Get back to the game quickly. What we like. This comprehensive kit has everything you need for retipping and even tablecloth repair. It's made in the USA, ensuring high quality. If you need a complete solution for all your pool cue and table maintenance needs, this is the kit for you. What people say. Perfect for installing new tips. Secure and correct tools to get a perfect tip every time. Unlike other pool stick repair kits, this comes complete with glue. Also, the simple rubber band tip holding contraption is much simpler than other types of contraptions to hold the tip while the glue dries. Everything you need for repairs are included. Number 4. Scott Edward 8-in-1 Cue Tip Shaper. This innovative tool is designed to maintain your pool cue tips in top condition. It's 8 tools in one, making it incredibly versatile and convenient for all your cue maintenance needs. It trims, cleans, scuffs, shapes, aerates, and presses your cue tips. You'll find everything you need to keep your cue playing its best. With its simple design, it's easy to use. Just tilt and rotate your cue to create the perfect tip shape. The sharp needles loosen the tip, and the grooves enhance the edge hardness. It's made from durable aluminum and carbon steel, ensuring long-lasting performance. This high-quality construction guarantees a superior user experience. It's lightweight, portable, and makes a fantastic gift for any pool player. Its compact size allows you to take it anywhere. This tool is a must-have for any serious pool player. Keep your cue tips in perfect condition and improve your game with the Scott Edward 8-in-1 Cue Tip Shaper. What we like. This 8-in-1 tool is perfect for on-the-go maintenance. Its compact size makes it easy to carry to any pool hall or game room. If you value convenience and versatility, this tool is your best bet. Number 3. Deluxe Cue Tip Repair Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to keep your cue in top condition. It's perfect for players of all skill levels. It includes a high-quality cement for a strong, lasting bond. This ensures your repairs will hold up over time. A variety of cue tips are provided, so you can find the perfect fit for your cue. Get the right tip for your playing style. You'll also find a tip clamp, cue top sander, and tip scuffer. These tools make the repair process easy and precise. The kit also contains cue chalk, table spots, a felt repair kit, and backers. Everything you need for complete cue maintenance is right here. With this kit, you can easily repair and maintain your cue. Keep your game sharp with this essential tool. What we like. This kit is packed with everything you need for cue tip repair. It includes a wide variety of tools and supplies. If you want a comprehensive kit without having to buy individual items, this is the one for you. What people say. Everything you need to replace the tip on your Q. Easy to use, the glue seems to hold well and is a good value for the money. I am a pool player and like this Tweeten Deluxe Q-tip repair kit because it has everything I need to install a bad tip on my pool Q. Number 2. Repair Kit for Pool Tables. This comprehensive kit is perfect for maintaining your pool table. It has everything you need for minor repairs and keeping your game running smoothly. Replacing your Q-tip is simple with this kit. It includes all the necessary tools and materials for a quick and easy fix. This handy kit comes with a replacement table spot, so you can easily repair any damage to your table's surface. Never run out of chalk again. This kit also includes a supply of chalk and small patches for repairing tears in the pool table cloth. With this kit, you'll have everything you need to keep your pool table in excellent condition. It's a must-have for any pool table owner. This kit makes even the smallest repairs a breeze. It's designed for convenience and ease of use. What we like. This kit is perfect for the casual home player. It includes everything you need for basic Q-tip replacement. If you are looking for a simple and affordable solution for home use, this is a great choice. What people say. Wheel device with sandpaper ensures the ferrule is flat and clean. The rubber band clamp is ingenious and works perfectly by applying even pressure. The instructions were easy to follow and all of the components were easy to use. The tip sander worked great and the chalk is soft and easy to go on. The glue is great. Number 1. Billmart 8-in-1 Q-tip tool. This innovative tool is a game changer for pool players of all skill levels. It's designed to make maintaining your Q-tips quick and easy. From trimming and shaping to cleaning and scuffing, it has everything you need to keep your Q in top condition. No more need for multiple tools. This tool makes it simple to replace, trim, and shape your Q-tips. Say goodbye to damaged tips and hello to consistent shots. It's made with high-quality aluminum and carbon steel for long-lasting performance. The precision design ensures accurate and reliable results. The kit includes the main tool, a replacement blade, and a wrench. Everything you need is right here, ready to use. It fits tips ranging from 8.5mm to 14mm, making it suitable for a wide range of Qs. Get the perfect fit every time. What we like. This professional-grade tool is built to last. It offers multiple functions in one convenient tool. If you're a serious player who demands quality and performance, this tool is for you. What people say. Looks as advertised. Great little tool for your Q bag. Product arrived as described. Easy to use and figure out each advantage of the tool. If you are going to be replacing your own Q-tips, this is a must-have product. Makes the job so much easier. Solid piece of equipment. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.